Tutorial 2. Round 5. Make 1 slip stitch into next chain space. Work 3 chain stitches. Make 1 slip stitch into the next chain space. Repeat this pattern around to complete the round, 18 groups total. Join with a slip stitch to the first slip stitch. Cut yarn and fasten off. Round 6. With new yarn, join to any chain space. Begin with 1 chain stitch as turning chain. Work 1 single crochet in the same chain space. In next chain space, make 1 double crochet. Then work 8 more double crochets in same space. Repeat the shell pattern 8 times total. Join with slip stitch to first single crochet. Round 7. With new yarn, join to any chain space from round 5. Begin with 1 chain stitch. Work 1/2 double crochet in same space, encasing the round 6 single crochet. For next 9 double crochets, work through back loops only. Make 1 slip stitch. B. Work 3 single crochets. C. In next stitch, make 1 single crochet. Work 1/2 double crochet. Make another single crochet. D. Work 3 more single crochets. I. Make 1 slip stitch in next stitch. Repeat this pattern 8 times around. Join with slip stitch to first half double crochet. Cut yarn and fasten off. Finishing steps. Weave in all ends using a yarn needle. Thread yarn through bead center. Bring both ends to wrong side of work. Secure with knot. Second piece. Crochet identical second piece. After final round, make 50 chain stitches for hanging loop. Adjust length as needed. Join with slip stitch to same stitch. Leave long tail for sewing. Assembly. With right sides facing out, align stitches. Sew together by either A. Picking up inner loops from both pieces. B. Working through full stitches. Add stuffing, cotton or mugwort leaves while sewing. After completing, weave in remaining ends. Attach tassel to finish.